Hi, this is Dr. Natalie Cordova. This is a modified pigeon. So you're aiming to focus on the rotators of your hips. You want to be able to have a chair that's out in front of you and that's secure. You can also hold on to the wall for more stability because you're really putting a lot of weight on that other leg. But you're trying to stretch the right hip. So bringing the leg up and onto the chair, and you're allowing that knee to go away from your body, rotating your hip, and you're stretching all of these muscles here. The emphasis should be here. If that's not quite what you're feeling because you're a little more advanced than that, you can start to lean in, and that should allow you to feel those rotators. And so you're going to hold that there, starting with 30 seconds, but you can build up so you get to a minute, and then even further where you can get to where it's 2 minutes, and then move on to the advanced. But you're aiming to get those hip rotators. So coming out of this position, you're going to switch to the other side. Again, bringing the other leg up, putting the ankle on the chair, and then rotating that knee away from your body. Holding that there for 30 seconds, up to a minute, up to 2 minutes. And then you can lean in, and you really feel that on the outside of your glutes. Having good stability, so you're just holding that, stretching that, lengthening out those muscles. And then bring it up. There you go.